I think the timetable was booked
Is it?
because we changed into groups, new groups now. But
Did you?
Yeah, they changed.
So we shouldn't have class now?
No, now it's the other.
So what's wrong with the timetable then?
I mean the next class, because we're supposed to be two separate groups.
Yeah.
And Shem also has a class at the same timing as ours, and we're not supposed to be in the same group. Chemistry, yeah. She's not with us in the group.
Okay.
So I think two groups will go to Carbonite. Like next class.
Is that a problem though?
Yeah, because two different groups.
You mean group V and group 3, we are having chemistry together. And group 4, the science, and group 1 have chemistry together. But in the timetable, our time is in one time.
They made us into 3 new groups now. We're not 4 anymore. We're just 3. Hisham and...
Yeah, so you're 3 groups. So
yeah.
2 of you are in CAV. Next. You think that's a mistake? There should only be 1 of you?
Yeah, I think so.
Would 2 groups not fit in CAV?
They would fit, yeah.
Maybe it's not. Is it a lecture or a tutorial?
No, lecture.
Well then maybe that's the reason why. Because I would have thought for a tutorial it would have to be 1 group, but for a lecture it could be all the groups, although that's probably too many. No, I wouldn't say that's a mistake. Have you not been in 2 groups before for lectures?
Yeah, normally, but like this is supposed to be the new group and the new timetable.
We should make this group, we should make another group. Yeah.
I suppose when you go to the room you'll find out.
Yeah.
Who is the Lorraine or Slaza? Yeah, okay. I guess you'll find out. Alright.
I hope this is more stunning
Well, it doesn't really, like what's it, like 3 weeks left or something? Doesn't really matter too much. 4 weeks? 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
For you, yeah. But for me, no.
What is
Even when they happen.
Okay. Life is difficult.
In Ireland.
Yes, in Ireland, yes.
right.
Okay. Let's try this one now. Do you want to do all of it, or do you want to do it as A, B, C, D?
When you do it, you mean?
Yeah, like will we do it A, B, B, C, C, D, D, or A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D?
No, A, B.
Okay, we'll do it that way then. So try part A here.
We flip the sign when we change the sign.
No,
Flip it when we divide or multiply by a minus. We did the second part? Finished, yeah? Easy peasy?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. B1, A part 1, 5, 7 minus 2x less than 30. 7 minus 2x less than 6 when you divide by 5. 7 minus 6 less than 2x. 1 less than 2x. X bigger than a half. Part 2. X squared minus x bigger than or equal to 0. X minus 1 bigger than or equal to 0. 2 roots, 0 and 1. Bigger than, so we want above. So x less than 0 or x bigger than or equal to 1. Did you get those?
But why is smaller than 3x? It should be x.
No. Don't use the word should be, because that means you know it's right and I'm wrong. You think it should be what?
Yeah. I think
Less than and
less
less than. It is not.
than.
No. Here you have bigger than 0,
Yeah.
which means this part and this part. This is bigger than 0. Less than 0
Yeah.
is this part. So you want to be to the left of this and to the right of this. Yeah. So this is less or left, and this is bigger, so just right. This is how I do these ones. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mocha? This is how I do these ones. Maybe you did it a different way with Roland. I don't know. Did you or not? Okay.
No, I just forgot how to do it.
Okay, fine. It's okay?
Yeah.
Right. Part B. Geometric now. Okay, shall we look at this part now? So, we want S8. Firstly here, what's the A? Yeah, 4096. And the OR, did you get that? It's 3072 over 4096. 3 over 4, yeah. So S8 is A 1 minus OR N over 1 minus OR. Is that what you have?
Yeah.
And what did you get? Or will I type it in here?
14743.
14743. 0.75? Okay. 2. What's the first term to fall below 10? So we want UN to be less than 10. So that means we want A or N minus 1 to be less than 10. So that means we have 4096, 3/4, N minus 1, less than 10. That means we have 3/4, N minus 1, less than 10 over 4096.
If we put equal.
Oh yeah, that's fine, yeah. So we put the log on both sides and bring the N minus 1 down. So we have N minus 1 must be bigger than log 10 over 4096 over log 3 over 4. Bigger because we're dividing by a minus. Fraction log 10 over 4096 over log 3 over 4. 20.9. So N minus, yeah, 20.9. 1. So that means N must be bigger than 21.91, which means N is 22. You have to round up here.
Right, but it doesn't reach like 91, but it doesn't actually reach. Like
No, it's not like this.
It's like the N in the physics when you, what is the maximum order?
It's not like that. It's not. It seems like it maybe, but it's not. Because if you look here at the formula, if I make a table, 4096.
Yeah, it will become 9.99999.
No, watch. Let me calculate the first term. The first term is 1. Yeah. This is the first term, agreed? This is the second term, agreed? Third term, agreed? Fourth term, agreed? Okay. No. Okay. 20th term, not less than 10. 21st term, not less than 10. 22nd term, less than 10. Yes. So at term 22, that is the first term that is less than 10. The first 21 terms are bigger than 10. Now, you're thinking the question.
First term, like 10.1.
Yeah.
RTSQ.
RTSQ.
Read the question.
Good advice, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, good advice. So 22 then. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, start part C now. What's C about? Okay. Oh, sorry, I skipped the last one. Why is it convergent? Do you know?
It's going to 0.
Not enough. Another reason. GPs are convergent when
They go to a number.
that is true. That is what is convergent, not why is it convergent. So it's a different question. It is convergent. GPs are convergent. That is, they move to a number when OR is less than 1. If r is bigger than 1, they are divergent. They move away from a fixed number. So for part 3 here, in the exam, you could just say, GPs are convergent if r is between -1 and 1, and here r is equal to 3/4, so convergent. Okay. Right, try part C here. By the way, that's 52.5, 52.5. Shall we do it? Yeah. So here they tell you that the coefficient of x6 is 52.5. So that means when we expand it and we get to the x6 term, which will be 10c6 24 kx6, that should equal 52.5 x6. So that means we can just cancel out those x's there. 10c6 2 power 4 k power 6 equals 52.5. So that means k power 6 equals 52.5 over 2, 4, 10, 6. So k is the 6th root of that. So if we calculate that here, 6th root of 52.5 over 2 power 4 times 10c6. Is the value for k. Could there be a minus answer here? There could be, I think. Is there? Yeah, there could be a minus answer here, because if k is minus, you don't know it's minus when you have power 6. So let's see if there's anything in the question that says it's not minus or it is minus. No, it says find the value, but I think it should really say values, because there could be a minus possibility here. Yeah. Okay, that's part C done. Let's have a look at D. Is that okay, Ms. Sharif?
Yeah.
Yes. D. Okay, so we'll just finish, I guess, by doing this part at the end. So you have a cubic and you have the remainder, and they want the A. Shall we do this one now? You have the idea how to do it?
Yeah.
So what do you use here? What's it called? Yeah, what's that called? No. Use the remainder theorem. So, when x is 2, that's 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 4 minus 1, that should equal 43. So that means 8a squared minus 8a minus 49? 48, thank you. Divide by 8. Right? 6. So I have two answers here, like this. Yes? So a equals minus 2 or 3. Right?
I got 6 and 7.
Ah. Did you divide by 8?
No.
I got a squared minus 8 equals 6.
You didn't move the 43 inside.
You didn't.
Yeah.
That's the problem,
Why?
because that's wrong. Do you know this remainder theorem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean in the fraction, like it's a squared minus a equals 6. So if I took a out, it will be a.
No, where's your 43 though?
You divide 43 by 48 by 8. Then
Yeah.
it became 6.
Yeah.
It was outside. Equals.
Equals 6.
Equals 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then what?
Mm,
So you have
something like that.
a squared minus a equals 6, correct?
Yeah.
So then what do you do next? What did you do next?
A
Bracket.
bracket a minus 1 6 a equals 6 a equals 6.
Let's test that. If I put 6 in here, 6 times 5, is that equal to 6? No. If I put in 7, 7 times 6, is that equal to 6? No. You know this is not how you solve quadratics.
Yeah.
You know this is not how you solve quadratics. You know this. This is very, what's the word? Haram? Haram? Very haram. You must make it equal to 0.
Yeah.
drink some more mocha. You need energy. This is the problem. All right, we'll continue with section B in the next math class. Yeah, okay.